Black Friday sale. All right, guys, this Thursday, November 28th through December 2nd, which is a Monday, I'm doing 20% off of everything on my website, KruseBuilt.com. Anything that you add to the cart, make sure you put in access code BlackFriday24 when you go to checkout. It'll take 20% off. It doesn't apply to shipping, it only applies to the parts that you're buying. But anybody can do this anywhere in the world, where you guys are at. You can go ahead and put that code in. You'll get 20% off. Again, just from this Thursday, November 28th through December 2nd, which is a Monday, Black Friday sale, 20% off. Make sure you get the parts that I sell on my website, KruseBuilt.com. One of the most popular items is the throttle linkage that I sell. I've got one on my Mustang and also on my F100 truck. I do sell those seat rail extensions for people that need a little more room on their seats to scoot back. I've got all kinds of parts like this strut bar or the Monte Carlo bar. I've got extra braces. I've got alternator adjustment linkage pieces. And don't forget the ever important master cylinder brace that I sell. And also I've got some other smaller parts like the thumb screws that go on top of the Willwood master cylinders, and then that fan switch that you can mount on your dash or your glove box. Wheel caps if you've got the American Racing torque thrust wheels. Lots of good parts on the website, KruseBuilt.com. Don't forget to check it out. Again, use code BlackFriday24 when you go to checkout.